Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing a pesky problem that one of our viewers encountered with their Synology-diskstation DS220+. So here's the deal: they had set up the VPN server package and enabled openvpn to access files remotely, and everything was running smoothly for about 4 months. But then, out of the blue, they started getting TLS errors when trying to connect to the VPN. Can you imagine the frustration? After a bit of investigation, they discovered that the issue lay with a certificate mismatch. Talk about a headache of a problem, right? Now, let's delve into the solution that our viewer found. The certificate responsible for the VPN's encryption can be found in the control panel under Security, and then Certificate. It turns out that the certificate auto-renews itself on the expiration date. In this case, the certificate was updated around the time our viewer started experiencing issues, which was about a year before the current expiration date. So, by simply updating the certificate code in the OpenVPN client configuration, they were able to connect to the VPN again. Problem solved? It's always a relief when you can pinpoint the cause of a tech issue, isn't it? In summary, our viewer's VPN glitch was due to an outdated certificate, which auto-renews on its expiration date. By keeping an eye on the certificate section in the control panel, they can stay ahead of any future hiccups. Well, that's all for today's video, folks. If you enjoyed this troubleshooting session, don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop us a comment below. Until next time, stay curious and stay techie.